Hello, I'm teaching you how to make a Scratch game. So first, you obviously want to be signed in, and you want to make a new game. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna keep Scratch Cat. You can press this and make whatever you want. Um, so what you're first gonna do is you're gonna make a new variable. So I'm gonna make mine key, and then I'm just gonna make basic when this sprite is clicked. Change kitty by 1. And then we're gonna do set size to 125, and then we're gonna go on control, wait 0.1 seconds, then go back on X and set size back to 100. So when you click it, it has like cool animations. So you can put a background if you want, but I am not going to prefer. So um So if you want to make a basic item, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to um hold on. Good. So you're gonna want to make a shop. So I'm just gonna make mine a little square. Guess a little too big. And then let's make this a little bigger. And then obviously you want to make it say shop. Shop. Large. And then you want to duplicate that, and this time you want to make a big thing. So what I used was it was 72, 60, 60. Okay, and then you just want to cover not all your screen, but so there's enough room um to have a shop. Okay, hold on. So oh my god. So put this. So this, yeah, this is in the corner, and then okay, put this in the corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a giant that goes about right there. And then okay, so now you have that. Go back in the coding. So I have a bunch of coding set up. My backpack, which I'm going to take out. And this is what you need. So when the sprite's clicked, broadcast open shop, switch to costume 2. When clicked, switch to costume 1. And then when space key press, switch costume 1 and broadcast close shop. Okay, so now we're gonna upgrade. Whatever upgrade you want to do, show you how to do it. So, oh crap. Okay, hold on. We have to take this out. Okay, so I have to put this right there. I'll put this right there, and this. Oh my, I'm really not having it today. And this up there, so on the corner, and then this. Okay, so make this. So whatever, I'm gonna make it. I'll make a cursor. So I'm gonna make this white with a outline of black. Make outline, and then it's like this, and then cut one of the corners so it's like this. And we're gonna make that a little smaller. Okay, now you wanna make a line. A line. Okay, okay, and then circle like that. So now I have the cursor. So whatever you name it. So I'm gonna make mine kitty. Okay. Also, you wanna make sure this is on. So I'm gonna make mine dark kitty click. Click kitty clicker, and then this here. Okay, now when you're done with that, move this, just make it center. Okay, kitty clicker, and then you want to put the price. So you go back on here, and then space, and then dollar sign. Okay, and then underneath it, make what it does. So +1 per click. So, okay, and you're done with that. Okay, that is way off guard. I don't know what. Okay, and that's done. You want to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, now you want to go up to coding, and then so oh, I have to go back. So gotta Okay, hold on. It's gotta sit here. Backpack. Okay, so copy all this stuff down. I'll put it back in a little bit. Okay. So you wanna go to this events, and you wanna get 2 win or receive, and make a new message and press open shop, and then get a when green flag hide, and then when close shop, you want to make another message that says close shop, and then make that hide, and then that show. And then when open shop, show. Okay, so copy this down. When the spray is clicked, if, which is down here, not if else, if, or, so you want to get an or and put it right there, and then get an equal and put it right there, equal, put it right there, and then get a picture greater than and put it right there. Now you want to do change meows or whatever currency is by negative whatever the price is, and then you want to change. So we have to go and make a new variable, and you have to change. Okay, so let's make it. It was kitty clicker. Okay, so I just made that. Change kitty clicker by 1. So now your kitty clicker should be up here. I usually just move it right there. So that's that. So when you copied out all this and made just right, now you should have a working, press the green flag, oh shoot, I forgot to add back is it? Is this it? I have no idea. Okay, yeah. Okay, and now it should show up. If you want to rearrange it, You can go like that. And then usually what I do is I go on this, I put this in my backpack, and whenever I create a new upgrade, I just copy all this in and then just change the variables and the prices and the negatives. Yeah. Hope that helped you. And I will see you in the next one.